Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. Today I am making a delicious salad. Oh, guys, this one is a good one. I'm making a classic pea salad. Now this is perfect for Easter or picnics or really any time of year. It is just so delicious. So let me go over all the ingredients that you will need and show you just how to make it. So in this bowl, I have 4 cups of frozen peas, and I have let them thaw completely. And as you can see, I've placed them in a bowl with paper towel because I'm trying to just absorb as much water off of them as I can. That will just help the dressing to stick a little bit better. Then you will need 1/4 cup of chopped red onion, 6 slices of bacon crumbled, 1 cup of a sharp cheddar cheese, and I got the block and then I have just cut it into small cube pieces, like bite-sized pieces. And then to make the dressing, you will need 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. All right, guys, this goes together really, really quickly. I'm just going to add my diced onions to my peas, my crumbled bacon, and my cheddar cheese cubes. Okay, now I'm going to make this delicious dressing. I'm just going to combine all the rest of the ingredients into a bowl. And then mix. And then pour that dressing over top. And give everything a good mix. The salad is so easy and delicious. But don't forget, when you're using those peas, to make sure you get them as dry as you possibly can, because if they have a lot of water on them, they will make the dressing really runny. So that's just important to note. And it really is key to use frozen peas, not canned peas. The frozen peas have a snap to them that the canned peas, they don't have. So yeah, you've got to use the frozen peas. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and a very happy Easter. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.